You go first.
Oh, okay. I'm Holly. I'm a third year maths student.
I'm Ella. I'm a third year medical student. You can find maths in nearly everything because I have to do maths in my medical degree.
I think it's complicated though because people are like, oh, maths is everywhere, but what they mean is like numbers and adding things.
Yeah.
And now it's got to the point where I'm like,
no longer with numbers.
I think physicists probably do a lot more maths and computation in their degree, but equally what they're doing is very different from what I would consider like maths to be, because I think it's more of this like logical thought process that actually there aren't many. It'd probably be philosophy where I feel there's the most crossover, and they're probably not using any numbers at all. At the moment, I am doing a structured project which is taking up most of my time. So it's about opinion dynamics models, which is it's slightly medical.
Okay.
Because originally it was used to look at how disease spreads.
But epidemiology.
Yeah, so it's epidemiology-ish, but you put it on like graph structures. So you take like loads of points, and then depending on whether they're like connected by edges on the graph structure, then we can have like spread go through. So it kind of like it percolates like through the graph. Mm-hmm. But instead of thinking about it as epidemiology, I'm thinking about it as how opinion spreads. I'm applying it to like social media algorithms as well. So basically just changing parameters in models to look at how different social media algorithms affect whether people are becoming more or less radicalized, which is obviously very relevant at the moment.
We've looked at similar models in medicine. So it's similar in a way to the project I'm doing because I'm looking at the spread of multimorbidity. So if I understand it, it's similar to some studies I've seen before.
It's got its foot in a lot of different...
Yeah.
Because it's kind of social science, it's kind of medical. Yeah. There's a little bit of like chemical reaction equations. And physics, apparently I'm studying physics at the moment. My physics friends are like really, really overexcited and explaining things about spin to me. And I'm like...
What, in this project?
The project is actually accidentally a physics project.
Okay, maybe I don't understand the project then.
Yeah.